Hello, my name is David Hudson from Certified Roofing. I was called to Miss Vivian Eiker's house. She had filed a claim with State Farm with us and called for some repairs to her roof. I spoke to someone from State Farm yesterday about getting an RLS completed or an ITEL completed to see the exact shingle that would be needed for her repairs. I am pulling that shingle today for someone to pick up for RLS or an ITEL report. So I am going to video my attempt to remove a shingle and then repair it with a similar shingle, a 3-tab shingle here. The shingles on her roof are 20-year 3-tab shingles. The ones manufactured today are 25 years, so slight difference, but same measurement. Information is Miss Vivian Eiker. Her claim number is 2078. B as in boy 295. D as in David. Her address is 1311 Old Ocean City Road, and that's in Salisbury, Maryland, 21804. Today's date is May 7th, 2025. It's currently 11 a.m., 11:01, and it is currently 74 degrees out here. Marked off, I'm sorry with the video, but I'll be removing this bottom shingle. In order to do so, I will remove a layer above and a layer, 2 layers above to access the nails. Bear with me while I work on my camera skills here, but I will videotape the entire process. I will use the roof snake to loosen and remove the nails, and then I will replace the shingle. So first things, I'm going to go in and loosen the row that we will be removing. The row above it. I am using 2 hands just to avoid any unnecessary manipulation of the shingles. And then 2 rows above. Okay, so then using the roof snake, I will now remove these nails holding in the shingle that I will be removing permanently and replace. Slightly off with my measurements here. The shingle is going to be over 1. Oh. So my lines are off just slightly, but the shingle will be over 1. I need to go 1, 2, 3 here. Using the roof snake, trying my best not to bend the shingles as I do this, and as gently as possible to get the nails removed. now I'll have to go up to the second layer to remove the nails that will be holding this in place. Same process. Using the roof snake underneath of those. Unfortunately, immediately, and I'm not sure if you can see here, but in doing so, already caused some creasing and damage to the shingle above here. Unfortunately, this one is pulled right through. Strip. Carefully remove the shingle. Try this off a little bit. And now I'll be replacing it. Different color in a black with a 25-year 3-tab shingle. Okay, and now I will secure this in place. and continue to use the roof snake to cause us the least amount of bend to these brittle shingles. Replacing a shingle. Replacing a shingle.
Oh, you put one in there?
Yeah.
I thought she was talking about that.
Yeah. We're just going through the process right now. Yeah, I got it recording. That's why I couldn't talk to you a whole lot.
Now I see, why would you replace a shingle on over a porch if you're going to put a new roof on?
This is for the insurance company. They want to identify the shingle that was on her roof before. So we're pulling the shingle for this insurance company. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're old 20-year shingles. So here is, unfortunately, what happened.
I painted this bitch and put displacements in. It said they had about 5 years ago. I wonder what caused that. Just that bad wind.
The bad wind, I think. So to conclude, replacing the shingle did cause damage by creasing the surrounding shingles. You can also see the extreme amount of granule loss that occurred. So I'd have to, with my certification and professional opinion, have to declare that this attempt to repair has failed due to the creasing of surrounding shingles, and then also the fact that there's significant granule loss to the shingles through the process. So I will conclude this at 11:19 on May the 7th, 2025.